Out under the burning sun, not many creatures can live for long. You need to be well equipped to cope with the heat and the dry. The Gila monster. This is a lizard unlike any other. Gilas also live in the sun-baked deserts of the American Southwest. Their bright markings are a warning. Because the Gila has jaws like a bulldog, and it's one of only 2 lizards in the world with a venomous bite. Gila monsters live around pools of water. They're hunters with very sensitive noses. Gilas can smell food from far away. They are not fast movers, but like marathon runners, they have high levels of endurance. This one has located a possible meal. An adult banner-tailed kangaroo rat is too fast for her. She's not concerned. Her senses tell her there's food waiting underground. Her sharp claws will help her dig through the hard earth to reach her prey. The newborn rats are defenseless. The Gila bite kills them quickly. Her venom is in her saliva, so it flows down her teeth into her prey. The lizard has found a nutritious meal in the emptiness of the desert. She will live to hunt another day. Gila monsters can grow to 60 centimeters and weigh 2.5 kilos. And they're well armored. Each scale is supported by a piece of bone, which is a good thing. Gilas play hard. Male-to-male combat is very dangerous when your opponent has a venomous bite. Only the strongest male will win the right to mate with a female. And this is another story of the race of life. As the day heats up, the last pools of water evaporate. This is dangerous for the Gila monster. She must retain all the body moisture she can. She must get out of the sun if she's going to survive the race of life.